Okay, so basically what happened, I had 4 of these older rod holders on the boat, and I wanted to change them out with a new monster rod holder. So basically I just had to screw these out. So those first 3 just came right out. This one would not break loose. So I put a little bit of torque on it and it broke off. So the boat part is still in the rod holder here. So we got to be able to get the boat holder, we got to get this broken boat out of this rod holder. So he's going to drill it and then try to ease the broken boat out. So let's see how this works out. If I ever get drilled, hold it right in there. All right, Daddy, hold that drill bit back up here. What size drill bit was you using to tap that?
2764.
2764 drill bit to tap a 1/2 inch hole, right?
A 1/2 inch hole, yeah. Where's that oil at? I thought I had some
right here. And you're putting oil on there.
Let me have that lid dry. Lid.
Just makes it tap smoother.
Well.
Now, what size? You're using a 1/2 inch tap.
Using a 1/2 inch National Course towel.
And you tap that by hand?
Well, that's the only way I know to do it.
You can get these taps where? If you wanted to buy that 1/2 inch tap?
Hardware.
Ace Hardware,
Ace Hardware.
Lowe's, Home Depot.
Yeah, anywhere.
Now that he's got the hole retapped, we put the rod holder in there and we're back in business. Now we're going to tap. There they are, the finished product. Monster rod holders. If you guys are interested in these rod holders, I'm going to put a link down here at the bottom where you can find these, monsterrodholders.com. Thank you, Steve Douglas. As you can see, I've got them all mounted on the boat now. Got 2 on each side for anchor fishing, and then 2 on each side for drift fishing. And then my trusty mangy pot hound I take with me. All right, we're about to finish this project up. We've showed you guys how to retap these hose. If you've got rod holders, that these, as you can see here, these were welded on here, so I couldn't take them off and replace them. So, showed you this morning how we drilled them, retapped them. As you can see, the rod holders in there. My dad's retapping the other ones. There's one there he's retapping. Then he's got 2 on this side over here we're going to try to retap. And we've already retapped this one here and put it in. So, hope this video helps you out. Please subscribe, like, and comment. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section, or you can email me at TennesseeRiverMonsters@yahoo.com.